So, day 5, we are in Beverly Hills in front of the world famous Beverly Hills sign. There's a bunch of people there. We already had to go around the block twice because they're watching us. So, about to go hit the roof, give them all that I got, and give them a bunch of free samples brought to you by Eco Style. This whole performance is brought to you by Eco Style Gel. So, let's go. I have to come to the grass.
Jerry Rice out there.
Come get it. I'm not allowed to walk over there.
You come to us. We don't come to you.
Here, baby.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah, look at that.
There you go. You guys are super cute. The boys are coming. In typical Ranagade fashion, I was told to not do something, and I did it anyway. And then I was told again to not do it, and then I did it again anyway. So now they done pulled up on us. They whooped us with the lights. They told me I gotta go somewhere else. And then now I'm not allowed to go on the grass, but they still let me hand out samples. Here, mommy.
There you go. Hello.
You know Eco Style?
I know it now.
Okay.
So this is styling gel,
Yeah.
and it's made with olive oil.
Uh-huh.
Is that correct?
Yes.
And so
For the edges, honey.
it's for your edges. Like,
Uh-huh.
you got to lay them edges down.
Yes, that's
You got
it.
to lay them edges
That's
down.
it. That's it.
Okay. Thames Frizz, which I like. No flake. That's a good one.
Uh-huh.
Moisturizes hair.
Yes.
And scalp.
Yes.
So you won't have dry flakes.
That's
because
it.
That's a real
Yep.
important fact.
So it's really Ranagade Piranha.
All right.
And they sent me on tour to go around on this RV and hand out gel. So I was gonna perform on the roof. You know what? I'm gonna do the show right here. Hand me my mic. All right, so they wouldn't let me get on the roof. Y'all seen that, right? So in typical Ranagade fashion, I'm Ranagade Piranha. This is the Ranagade ECO Tour. In typical fashion, I get told to not do something, and then I do it anyway. And then I get told again, don't do that. And then I say, I'm gonna do it again anyway. So I went around over there, came around over here, and now we're here trying to perform. I'm supposed to be doing all of this from the roof. However, the policia is waiting to throw me in jail.
Renegade off the chain, no leashes. Killer blood, better warn all the leeches. Cylon, Rana, es my man, stay. Never stay, go to your best day. Go so fast, make it past my last day. Ran a stop sign, I hit the gas main. OG and backwood, call a gas tank. Run up on you, ski mask in the bank. Baby, let me see ya, make me stare. Maximus, turn up, glue derriere. Vous ne pouvez pas ne voir. Can't see us, but we see soi. My is encore plus food. C'est la vie, music all rendezvous. My love endless, advantageous. It'll make you wanna read over pages.
You said you actually got to see the performance because you were out walking your dog at the same park?
So I was across the way, like on the other side.
Yeah.
And when I came back, I saw the cops that they were watching, like from a tree. Like they were watching the whole thing.
Like they were literally hiding out, still watching the performance. Yo,
No,
do
they're
you
even hiding, just like right there, posted.
just obviously like, nah, we just don't stop patrolling for a few minutes.
Yeah, they were like, one guy was even on his phone.
Stop! That is so fuego.